Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, and I'm back with another video. And right now, we have a curly head. We're going to be doing a mid-drop fade. But right now, I started off by blow drying his hair because he was really sweaty. You could kind of tell by looking at his hair right now. It's all wet and stuff. But yeah. Once I finish blow drying the hair, I'm going to be doing the bald line. And I'm going to kind of do it kind of low because it is a drop fade. Alright, now that I finished removing all the bulk, I grabbed my wall shavers and I'm just shaving everything completely so it goes from a little bit of hair to completely bald. Alright, once I finished shaving, I grabbed my wall seniors with the lever all the way open, and I started off by creating the first guideline, which is going to be with the lever all the way open. And I went up about a full inch, as you can see right here. Alright, once I finished putting the lever all the way open, I closed my lever just a little bit, so right now it's about 75%, and I'm just hitting the line. Alright, right here I closed my lever just a little bit more, so right now it's about 50%. Alright, right here I closed my lever just a little bit more, so right now it's about at 25%. And right here I'm just hitting the line. You know, I don't want to go too high because the lever is about to be closed. So if I go too high, I'm gonna make a little bald spot. As you can see right here, the line is almost gone, but we still have one last step, which is the lever all the way closed. So right now I'm playing with the lever, just trying to take out that bottom line. Alright, now that I finished taking that bottom line out, I grab my number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm setting the guideline the same exact way that I set the last one. Alright, now that I finished with the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, I close the lever all the way, and I'm just hitting the line. And remember, the 1 guard all the way closed is not going to take out that line. It's just going to soften it up. So right here I have the half guard on, and I'm just going to be playing with the lever, just trying to take out that line that I made with the 1 guard all the way open. Once I'm done taking that bottom line out, I grab my number 2 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to be going up about half an inch or a full inch, the same exact way that I'm setting the other guidelines, but I'm not creating a line, I'm just flicking it out. The 2 guard with the lever open did create a line, so right now I just close the lever, still with the 2 guard, but I'm just hitting that bottom line. Alright, right here I got my number 1.5 guard, and I'm just going to be playing with the lever, just trying to take that line that I made with the 2 guard all the way open. Alright, right here, once I'm done with the fade, I'm just preparing his hair so I could put in his edge up. Yo, my bad, guys, for the bad camera angle, you know. I'm blocking the camera, but as y'all can see, the line's still crispy, you know. The fade's on point. Right now, I'm putting the C cup in, and I'm about to make this crispy. And this is the finished product, guys. So if you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.